So we got the 5640 in here, and we have been having a lot of trouble with this thing, and this thing was parked in the way. I couldn't get it started. It's been super annoying. So anyway, we're gonna see if we can fix that up today. Found this website called FridayParts, and these parts came from them. So here's our starter, and we got some air filters. This is one of them here. This is the right starter. I'm pretty sure I got the right one coming. All right, let's get this thing pulled apart and we'll get this thing put in. It's just 2 bolts, they're right at the top, so should be able to get it. I need to get a swivel though. Got the old starter. We got a brand new cable on here now. So we're gonna put this cable on and hopefully we should be ready to start it up. All right, starter is in, the new cable is in, and we're gonna get this thing buttoned up.